What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. You guys can see we have a package here to unbox. We got the blue alien on deck. The Drocon Mirage. So this is a little line of sight flyer I got off Amazon. Let's sit the box back here. So we got a bunch of papers and books. Here's the user's manual. Wow. Detailed English. Color illustration. Pretty nice instructions manual. The best we've come across in a little while. We got a troubleshooting guide. This is even color illustrated. So we have this. I don't know what this is. This might be some, oh, okay. There's a warranty. And so here's the quad. Wow, this thing is smaller than I expected, definitely. I didn't know it was one of these tiny little guys. And so we have extra props here. Looks like they give us four extra props. And we have a USB charging cable there. And we have a screwdriver. And we have some prop protectors here. I don't think we're going to be putting those on. So the transmitter is a nice size. The buttons are clicky and all. It does have altitude hold. So let's peel this off. Let's open this guy up. So this is it here. Little folding guy here. Folds out to this. We have a little light on the front there. We have some rubber landing gear. Let's check it out. Nice soft landing. Liking that about it. We have an on and off switch. And we have a little spot here to charge it. So non-removable battery. Unless we remove these screws here, I can see through the air holes there that we do have a little battery in there. And we do have a little bit of light. And red in the rear. So we do have a little indicator of orientation there. I don't know. I'm not sure if this is going to be a nice night flyer. I don't know if these little lights here are adequate enough light to have us fly and keep our orientation at night. But I guess we might try it. Who knows? These lights might be pretty bright at night. So the next time you see this little guy, he should be in the air. The Drocon Mirage. Thanks for watching.